To animate historical battles, you'll need an effect to show units being damaged or killed. I'm going to run through 2 ways to do this. First of all, kings and generals use a shatter effect for their icons, and you can make something similar in Davinci Resolve using this video here. I've already tried it in one of my own videos, so I know it works. If you want something more gradual, the rest of this tutorial will be showing how to make units crack and break. The first step is to import your map into the program. Right click and press Open in Fusion page. Next, add your battle units to the media pool. The ones I'm using here were made in GIMP. Then drag them into the node section and drop them onto the output line. With the image still selected, click on the transform button to add a transform node. Now you can start to animate. So I want this to move forwards initially and then slowly get pushed back by another unit. You can do this by adjusting the size, angle and position in the transform node. Make sure to ease in and out your movements by selecting the keyframes in the spline section and pressing here. Now when my unit is being pushed back and giving ground, it's at this point I want to show it being damaged. So to do that, press Shift and spacebar. Type in fast noise and hit enter to add it to the node section. Then connect its grey output box to your image and you'll see it goes partly transparent. Move the brightness up a few numbers to fix this. Now if you play around with the detail, contrast and scale sliders, you'll see the unit begins eroding away. But obviously we don't want it set like that the whole time. So move your playhead to when you want your unit to begin taking damage, keyframe the brightness position at a high value, and move the play slider to where you want the effect to end. Keyframe this again by lowering the brightness setting, which will reveal a broken unit. You can go all the way down to negative numbers to make it fully disappear, but you will have to type that in manually. If you found this video helped you, please leave a comment and put a crossed sword emoji to let me know you made it to the end. If you haven't already, you can also join my Discord or get a channel membership to help me make future videos.